Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Ornith 9 billion parameters final version with the MCP server using Ollama and VS Code. We're gonna make test for this model if it works or not. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Ollama.com/download and click the download button to download Ollama. After downloading Ollama, install it. Okay, you can get Ollama here. Okay, after that, return here to Google and go to models. And this time I wanna test the Ornith model with the Array Engine 5.8 using the MCP. Okay, go here to Ornith, search for Ornith, and download the latest version. Click here and hit copy. How to install Ornith? To do that, we have to go here to command prompt, paste the Ornith here, and click enter, and the installation of Ornith is begin. For more are already installed, it takes some minutes. It's around 5.6 gigabytes. Okay, we have 9 billion parameters. Okay, let's test it. Okay, start thinking. As you can see, it works. Now, let's enable the MCP server for the Array Engine 5.8. Double click here to the editor. Click new project, select the personal template, let be. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is to go here to edit plugins, enable MCP, client toolset, Array MCP, go here, search for editor toolset, enable this plugin, terminal, enable this plugin. Now click restart node to restart the editor. Okay, the editor is restarted. Let's go here to edit editor preferences, ModelContextProtocol, Auto-Start-Server, enable this one. Okay, fine. That was the editor preferences. Okay, now I want to copy those commands. Okay, the first one, client configuration. You have to go here to output log cmd, paste. And this command allows you to create MCP server and the path, root path of the project file. I want to show here in Explorer. Project number 3, as you can see, this is my MCP server file. Okay, after that, the second command is start server. Paste. And look at this. Server is started. Now let's move to the next step. Close this. Open VS Code. Okay, create file. What's this problem of VS Code? Okay, after opening VS Code, we have to go here, open folder. Go here to the path of the Array Engine project. This is my project number 3. Okay, as you can see, this is my project. Okay, after that, go here to restrict mode, hit trust, and close the file from this. Return right here to extensions, search for continue. Enable this extension, hit install, trust, publish and install, yes. Okay, as you can see, the installation of continue is finished. It's detected automatically right here. Now, let's return here, project file, there's this continue, and go right here. After that, go here to this, select model, add chat model, profile, choose Ollama, motor auto detect. As you can see, Ornith is detected automatically. And check this one. Now, the next thing I want to do is to enable the MCP server. How to do that? We have to press Ctrl+Shift+P to open this menu. Search for list servers. MCP list servers. This one, project 3 //vs code.mcp and click here, start server. As you can see, connection state is running. The MCP server is running. Okay, let's open the Outlook log. Make the screen. I want to make it like this. Let's go here. Where is my engine here? Okay. Let's test it. For example, okay, how many actors in the project using MCP? Okay, let's hit send. Let's test the connection right here. As you can see, it's testing the connection. Start generating. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's not working. Try searching, and there is no result. Let's test another approach. Before testing that's another other approach, let's update the VS Code. Where is my VS Code? How to stop this? I don't know why. Okay, click update here. Okay, it's updated. And now the other approach here is to go here, press this one, where is, press this, this one, to make this chat agent right here. And this chat agent, before we use this models, we have to sign in here using your GitHub application to Gmail. Let's open Gmail. Where is my Gmail? This one. Okay, verify device. Okay, copy. Return right here. Paste this and verifying. Okay, launching VS Code. Have returned here to VS Code. Okay, as you can see, the connection is successfully established. And now, before we use this agent, the next thing I want to do, let's close this and let's close this. Welcome. Close continue, return here. Now, click here, and then space and press Ctrl, Shift and P. Return here to list servers to enable the MCP server. Start server. Okay, then MCP server is enabled. And now let's add our model here to use as the local chat from the VS Code. To do that, we have to go here to local, select local agents, configure custom agents, and go here. Where is not this? Go here to auto, manage models, add models, choose the provider. For me, it's Ollama. Okay, click here and click enter. This is local port of Ollama localhost. Okay, as you can see, Ornith model is automatically. Okay, close this and go here to auto. Choose Ornith. As you can see, let's see. Hi, for example. Okay, internal Ollama provided space. Okay, let's install extension first. Ollama extension. Trust publisher. It works, but the Ollama is obligatory. You have to enable this command. And now let's move here. My MCP server is enabled. Let's test to the Unreal Engine. Select the model right here. Choose Ornith. After that, click here. When you click, my project is detected automatically. Once it's detected automatically, let's say, for example, generated cube using MCP. Let's say enter, and let's see what's happening here. What's this problem? Here, build generated cube. First check MCP related. Okay. Okay, bypass approval is yes, enabled. Okay, yes. It's analyzing right now. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, as you can see, the model Ornith, this model is not good for the Unreal Engine MCP server. As you can see, it's detected, but it's not working. Look at this. It's made some mistakes. For example, the Unreal Engine version is 5.62. For me, it's the Unreal Engine 5.8. For example, is not have capability to auto approve and creating files. Okay, this is the model I don't recommend to use. We are testing the process not works. The first one not works and second one not works. Okay, this is the test of the Ornith local model with the Unreal Engine MCP. Thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.